Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, asithathe leli thuba sibongele umkhonto wesizwe party for ukuwina kulama by-elections abawine kuwo. Noma ke bebe contesta ophongolo ngathi bathi Ward 4 ngeshwa ke khona bawinanga kodwa ku Ward 28 ngathi benze kahle kakhulu. Sibonile ngiyacabanga bekulwesihlanu la kuphume khona ngisho upresident womkhonto wesizwe party uJacob Zuma naye eyo campaign la umkhonto wesizwe party neNational High Command nama-member weNational High Command bowaphumile ophongolo ngiyazi bekukhona uFloyd noDr John Hlophe uyile khona. Into engizokwenza ngizocaphuna ama-video njengoba bebe campaign lapha ya ngicaphuna ama-video wama-results ukuze sazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ngenzela ukuthi umuntu ongazazi ukuthi kuqale la kweza la nanka ama-results. Ngicela uzwe la.
Thank you so much for your time, Deputy President. As the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, how confident are you that you've done all the necessary work ahead of these by-elections in Pongola and Guadeloupe?
Well, let's start with Ward 28, where we are now. We're very confident. We started working long time ago. I remember I was here a month ago. Even far back, we were ready. And our candidate here, Gaddafi, is very strong. He's a solid candidate, well known in the community, with a history of delivery. We are absolutely confident, but we don't want to rest on our laurels until counting is over. That will be until 12 o'clock. We will push, we will carry on working until then. Okongolo, I was there a couple of days ago. We are also very confident. We have a solid candidate who has a history of delivery, service delivery. It is far, I can't be all over. I was there a couple of days ago. We are also very, very confident. We did well yesterday, with special elections, special votes, we did well. So in short, we are confident. And to the viewers at home, meet our candidate. Here he is. I'm here to install him. As far as we're concerned, he's our counsel. There is no other counsel.
This is
Ngingabeka nje kanje ngesizulu kafupi. Thina silihambela ubala simkhonto wesizwe. Size lana ngoba siqinisekile ukuthi sizowina. Abazama ukutshontsha ama-results badlala. Not this time around. Sesiyawazi lo matrix, ama-load shedding nani. Ama-ground forces ethamile lana sithe abantwini bethu ababe discipline kuze kushaya u-12 ebusuku kuze kubane ngoba kuvele kube ne-load shedding njalo kuma-by-elections. Sesikhatheleke yiloo nto. Sisebenzile lana asifuni ukuthi ama-results ethu antshontshe. Nakwana nalena ophongolo not kwanongoba ophongolo bengile khona iy'nsuku ezimbalwa ey'dlule ama-ground forces ethu akhona ne-SG bikhona sabanika yonke i-equipment abayifunayo. Nomfowethu nangubongani la ubaloyo uyena oheda ama-elections national besinaye khona. Umsebenzi wethu siwenzile both Ward 28 no Ward 4 lena ophongolo. Si-confident, siyimisele, simkhonto wesizwe. Sifuna ukungena kuhulumeni kuphela usize abantwini abamnyama. Sifuna ukwakha izindlu zabantu abamnyama luphela usize. Suka ikate lilelezini.
Thuba siyabonga kakhulu.
Bonga thina.
Lana kuba buthumbeza njengoba umuzwi lekhuluma bekusuku la bekuvotwa khona kuma by-elections. Lapho bebephelele khona bezomeseka kanti siyakhumbula ukuthi ngolwesihlanu uma uJacob Zuma ekhuluma namalungu omphakathi ubekhuluma isifana kalo ngoba i-candidate yabo ingomdabu waseNdiya. Asiphinde sicaphonyeni ivideo futhi.
Baphoxobele ngapha bayacula ngapha. Kwenzakalani eSouth Africa? Buka phela buka. Baphoxobele ngapha. Kwezika Uncle Ramaphosa. Ziyabuya ngapha kaMhlolisi.
Njengoba eshilo ke uThumbeza Dr. John Dlopho ukuthi njengomkhonto wesizwe ba-confident, banokuzethemba okukhulu. Yingakho bebengenankinga yokuthi bame bacule ngoba bebelinda ukuthi kushaya u-12 kungenzeka iphutha, kungenzeka ubuhixihiqi. Kuphuma ama-results uma bedliwe badliwe bazi ukuthi kube fair. Uma futhi bewina bazi ukuthi kube fair. Isona sizathu besenza ukuthi uboneke benomdlandla ngoba bathemba naba-confident. Asiphinde sicaphune enye video.
And young people to come out and vote for him. All the nations. So it's good
Senzani la namhlanje?
Siyakhambeni, siyathatha le ward le.
Yeah. Siyabuya, you're on the ground. Commander Nuda. Hi, command.
Njengoba ubona nje ingesikhathi bebeyocampaigna la behamba phansi boyitshela umphakathi wakaDukuza ukuthi awubavotele. Manje sisecaphuna ivideo yama results. Siza ukuthi ama results ona ami kanjani. Emveni kwalapho noma sesingayivala le video ngoba ayikho into bekubabongela nje ngoba siyazi ukuthi bona bawinile kodwa into engifisa ukuyenza ngifisa ukuthi at least bawacaphune lama vote siza ukuwina kwabo ukuthi bawine kanjani ngama vote amangaki.
Commanders. Hello, Baba Fair. My commander. My commanders, what we expected is not what y'all expect. I'm going to give you the results first. EFF, 16 votes. All together, including top. IFP, 34. ANC, 794. My comrades, please, I'm tired, I'm sick. Usumbang. Puma point. Hypo. MK Party. 1,000.
Ayukwazileka ngempela umkhonto le kwaDukuza. Iyona video bengithi ngikulethele yona le yama by election ku Ward 28. Ngiyacela kusubscribe ku-channel, ulike ivideo, commente. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.